Don't let him roll off the bed.
Hi. Are you passing gas? Are you? You scared Grandma away. You scared her away. She never gets scared.
It's so.
Come here, Gio. Come here.
Come on, Gio. Come on. Get your little buns going. Get your little buns going.
He was doing so well. Come on. Come on.
Go ahead.
Come on.
Ham hocks.
Come on. Come on. Here you go.
Go on. Do you need the light on?
Mm-mm.
That's not sound too, is it?
Yeah, it is. Pudgeman! Hi. Hi.
He's doing it. He's rocking already. That is so funny.
Pudgy man. Pudgy kid.
Ooh,
He's like, why would you do that to me when I'm this far?
His head's too heavy.
Oh my God, if you can only see it, look at this.
I know.
Oh. Where are you going? Come on. Come over here. Come on. Oh yeah?
He's wondering what you're laughing about.
Oh my God. Just if you could, oh my God, Mom, look at this video. Watch him. It's so much funnier on the video. Yeah, let's watch.
This is Austin.
Look at him. No, Mom, Mom. Watch him.
Claire.
Okay.
She's videoing
Hey,
him.
listen.
Look at
They're videoing him.
He's crawling.
Look at hey.
Hi, little love. You're crawling, huh? Remember before, Claire, that he wasn't using his arms?
Oh, no, he's
No.
close.
No, yeah. He is.
I bet before 7 months. Oh, yeah.
I think in a couple weeks. I was up here a couple weeks ago, and he wasn't using his arms like he is now.
Oh, yeah.
And he wasn't rocking as much, but it's unbelievable.
Oh, I know.
It's so funny. You just see him on this video. It's a crack. Look at him! Claire! He's totally rocking.
Tia, what are you doing? He's doing
He's falling,
push-ups.
man. He's going to be projecting himself. He's doing push-ups.
You little boodles.
How come you make everyone laugh?
He's cute.
Getting familiar with the camera. He's loving it. God, he's getting... He will be projecting himself off the bed.
You're launching.
Hi,
You're
Peter.
launching.
Come on, man.
He's launching. Oh my God. You're launching.
So
Fall off the little bed.